When peaches are in season, I love making this Peach Caprese salad, which is a lovely summery take on the Italian classic. I love adding some toasted almonds, which add that lovely nutty flavor and extra crunch to the salad. Now the key is to get peaches that are ripe but not too soft. You want them a little bit firm and a little bit tangy. Then it's heirloom tomatoes. I love using different colors because they look so pretty on the plate. And I also like to add a little bit of red onion for sharpness, but you can definitely go without if you don't like raw onion in the salad. Fresh basil leaves, of course, and some fresh mozzarella. I like to do sort of full circles, which I then cut in halves so that I've got everything kind of like a bite-sized pieces on the plate. When it comes to assembling the salad, you can let your creativity shine here. The best part about this is you can make it all ahead of time. Just make sure not to dress the salad. When it comes to the dressing, I love aged balsamic vinegar, a little bit of olive oil, some flaky sea salt, and pepper. And that's about it. What a perfect Peach Caprese salad.